And what do y'all want to do?
When you're ready, you just...
I know, but what do y'all want to do?
Just do it.
Freak. Fast, shoot fast.
Whoa, they're getting closer. Shoot that son of a bitch. You got it. I think you might have hit it. No, I'm just playing. You know you didn't get it.
It's right there behind that bush.
I know.
Roman, don't be grabbing my girl ass, bro. Chingao.